This is the natural course of flowing water. Pump a portion of that water from elevation to elevation is requiring more electricity.
Yeah, and its advantages, we realize that this wear and tear of the washers, mainly the way from the waste valve and also an return valve. We also realize that the water that enters the main pipe, a larger portion of it is wasted from the waste valve compared to the one that is pumped to other areas of usage.
The limitation that this pump is that it can only achieve the maximum required height of 150 meters, and it cannot exceed the pump-free ratio of 20 meters per 1 meter, and finally it is sensitive to water quality, hence it is affected by water dairies and the high content of minerals in water.
The precautions of the pump relies on the installation site and the protection of the pump, where we realize that the pump should be installed on a firm foundation, such as in concrete, so that there is no movement or vibration during its function.
The hypothesis we made for this project is that when we increase the length of the grade pipe, its efficiency increases in water delivery rate, and also when the elevation drop increases, its efficiency increases in water output.
The following are the apparatus that we use for the project. We had connectors such as the quarter L connector, we had the 2G connectors, the quarter each. We also had the two return valves, where one acted as the waste valve. We also required 5 millimeter in diameter PVC pipe, and also singular pipe of 55 millimeter, it was 30 centimeters long, to act as the vertical pipe. The following are the instruments that were used to organize the pump. We had an axle, we also needed a pipe wrench and a thread cutting die. So the following are the procedures for installation of the pump. We check the 45 centimeter long main pipe, cut it into two, where we connect the T connectors such that the 2 points are connected to that connector. Then one end of the pipe is where it is connected to a water reservoir, that is the 20-liter can. Then the other end, the remaining end, is where we have the L joint connected, where the installation of the return valve will be made such that it is inverted to act as the waste valve. Then the middle part where we have the L connector, the T connector, is where now the 30 centimeter long pipe is placed such that it is vertically upwards, and it's cut at the 20 centimeter mark, and then it's threaded using the thread cutting die so that we can have the installation of the return valve. Then the remaining part, that is the 10 centimeter pipe remaining, is also threaded, where it is now installed on top of the return valve, where now we have the other T connector connected, so that there we can install our tap to make an angle of 90 degrees with a vertical pipe. Then the remaining part, that is the upper part of the T joint, is now where we have the air chamber connected. Request that the judges put us outside please, so that you can see the workability.
We're not able to do it from here.
Okay, from the results you can